Hey there, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are looking for the best wall scanner to make your construction, renovation, or DIY projects safer and more precise, you are in the right place. Today we're exploring a smart device that detects hidden objects, measures distances accurately, and makes every job easier. Let's get started. The GVDA GD210C wall scanner is designed for anyone who wants precise measurement and detection in one compact tool. It combines multiple functions, acting as both a laser distance meter and a wall scanner. With this device, you can measure distances from 0.05 to 40 meters without a reflector, with an impressive accuracy of plus or minus 5 millimeters. The scanner supports meters, inches, and feet, making it flexible for any project, and each measurement is completed in just 0.2 seconds. 3 to 4 seconds, depending on conditions. One of the standout features of the GVGA GD210C is its ability to detect metals, wires, copper pipes, and AC lines hidden behind walls. This ensures that every drilling or installation task is safe, helping you avoid accidents and costly mistakes. Some versions of this device, like the GD210D, GD210DR, and GD210DG, add even more functionality with wooden batten detection, laser crossline projection, and an electric bubble level. These features make alignment and leveling projects much easier and more precise. The device's 1.8-inch color LCD display with backlight ensures clear visibility even in low-light conditions. Combined with real-time voice announcements for measurement results, it keeps you informed instantly, so you never have to guess or double-check. You can also store up to 30 sets of data, which is perfect for keeping track of measurements across multiple tasks without losing any information. Portability and durability are key advantages. The GVDA GD210C measures just 135 by 60 by 25 millimeters, fitting comfortably in your hand or toolbox. It operates in temperatures from 0 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and can be stored safely between -20 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. Its built-in 300 mAh lithium battery supports USB charging and long operational periods, while an automatic shutdown after 5 minutes helps conserve power. Other thoughtful touches include a single-function buzzer alarm, a self-closing laser after 20 seconds, and a user-friendly interface. These small details make a big difference, providing convenience and efficiency for every measurement and scan. Whether you're a professional contractor, electrician, or a DIY enthusiast, this wall scanner makes tricky jobs simple and safe. In real life, the GVDA GD210C wall scanner is ideal for measuring distances, checking wall composition, locating hidden wires or pipes, and ensuring precise alignment. It gives you confidence when drilling, mounting, or setting up equipment. It turns complex tasks into smooth, accurate, and safe operations. The GVDA GD210C wall scanner is perfect for construction workers, interior designers, electricians, and DIY homeowners who want accuracy, safety, and speed in their projects. Its compact size, multifunctionality, and advanced detection features make it an indispensable tool for any workspace. Don't miss out on making your projects smarter and safer. Check the price link in the description and see if the GVDA GD210C wall scanner fits your needs. Like and subscribe to Cool Product for more practical and high-tech gadgets. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.